The history of the ukulele stretches back to the 19th century, when a small guitar-like instrument called the Portuguese machete was brought to Hawaii by Portuguese immigrants. This instrument evolved into the modern-day ukulele, which you see before you now. Now let's look at the different parts of the ukulele with help from the diagram on your screen. These are called the tuning pegs. Here we have the nut. These spaces here are called the frets. And this entire piece is called the fingerboard. Up here we have the sound hole, and this part is called the bridge. And finally, here are the 4 strings of the ukulele. Looking after your ukulele is very important, so here are some useful tips to help you keep your ukulele in good condition. First, if you can, try to keep your ukulele in a strong, protective case. Second, be careful when changing or tightening strings in case they snap. Third, remember to change your strings at least every 6 months to get the best possible sound from your ukulele. Fourth, clean your ukulele regularly using a clean cloth. Fifth, in general terms, most people tend not to use a plectrum when playing the ukulele. However, if you do wish to use a plectrum, the best option is to use a thin plectrum, especially for faster songs. But you may wish to use a thicker plectrum for some slower songs. Through trial and error, you will find plectrums that work best for you. Sixth, practice regularly. Playing for even 10 to 20 minutes every day is far more beneficial than playing for a few hours once or twice a week. So do your best to practice on a daily basis, and you will see dramatic results. Seventh, don't be too worried if your fingers are a little sore when you're starting to learn the ukulele. This is perfectly normal. Keep practicing, and over time the skin on your fingertips will harden, allowing for you to play for much longer periods of time. Eighth, remember to keep your fingernails short so you can press down properly on the fingerboard. Ninth, have fun. Remember that you began playing a musical instrument for enjoyment. Don't be too hard on yourself if you find that you are making mistakes. This is perfectly natural. You will find yourself getting better and better over time, so keep up the good practice. 10th, one of the most important things to remember is to keep revising all the tunes and exercises. Also, don't feel under pressure to move on to the next lesson until you are ready to do so. Remember to take your time and progress through the program at your own pace. 11th, and finally, if you are feeling a little tired from playing, take a short break from it and go back feeling more refreshed.